What's up everybody? Today we are checking out the Infinix HOT 70 Pro. Yeah, budget smartphones continue getting more competitive, but the real question is whether everyday performance actually lives up to the specifications. Let's check display, camera, gaming and battery, we call it DCGB, and everything that matters most. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Infinix HOT 70 Pro features a 6.76-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering smoother scrolling, animations and gaming than many devices in its class. With 950 nits peak brightness and 441 pixel per inch density, the display remains sharp, colorful and comfortable to use both indoors and outdoors. Whether watching videos, browsing social media or gaming, the screen consistently feels fluid and responsive. Here, photography is handled by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main camera with an 1.79 aperture and autofocus, paired with an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The larger Sony sensor captures balanced exposure, natural colors, and impressive detail, especially during daylight photography. Portrait photos benefit from accurate subject separation and pleasing skin tones, while the Sony sensor captures crisp detail with reliable autofocus. Video recording supports up to 2K at 30 frames per second, providing cleaner detail than standard Full HD recording. Whether capturing everyday moments, portraits, or short videos for social media, the camera delivers results that comfortably exceed expectations for a smartphone in this category. Powering the HOT 70 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 running Android 16 with XOS 16. Combined with up to 8GB of physical RAM, 16GB extended RAM, and 256GB of storage, the overall experience feels quick and responsive throughout daily use. Gaming is where the newer chipset makes an immediate difference. Games launch quickly, touch response feels responsive, and gameplay remains smooth during longer sessions. The 144Hz display further enhances fluidity, making movement appear noticeably smoother in supported games. Whether playing competitive titles or enjoying casual gaming, the HOT 70 Pro maintains stable performance while delivering an enjoyable everyday gaming experience. Okay, yeah, this part actually makes me very happy. A large 6000 mAh battery easily supports more than 2 days of heavy use, reducing battery anxiety even with gaming, video streaming, and extended screen on time. When power eventually runs out, 45-watt fast charging quickly gets the phone ready again, while 10-watt reverse wired charging also allows the HOT 70 Pro to power smaller devices whenever needed. Well, we have already covered DCGB, but there are a few other things I wanna mention. Infinix HOT 70 Pro combines a modern design with practical durability, featuring IP68 dust and water resistance, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.4, and a USB Type-C connection for everyday convenience. Adding a unique touch is the active halo LED surrounding the rear camera module. It lights up for incoming calls, notifications, charging status, and other system events, giving the phone a distinctive personality without feeling distracting. It's a small detail, but one that makes the HOT 70 Pro feel more interactive and fun to use. Altogether, Infinix HOT 70 Pro delivers a faster display, capable cameras, reliable performance, excellent battery life, and thoughtful everyday features in one complete package. Considering everything it offers, I believe that it presents outstanding value for anyone looking for an affordable smartphone. So what do you think about this Infinix Hot 70 Pro? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Make me feel right. Jump right back into my life.